Okay, here we have a 1998 Lexus GS300. Customer brought the door lock so I can make the key from scratch to the door lock. I'm going to generate 2 keys from scratch, and they brought me the ECU so I could pre-program the chips into it. I'll come back with a working key for this door lock, and I'll come back with 2 chips prepped. I can't show you the security light going off or if the box is programmed because this is not at the car. The customer drove, I think they drove from Savannah, Macon somewhere, a few hours away from Atlanta, but they just came to the office, so I'll come back shortly. This is for 1998 GS300. We do have the ability to make things from scratch. You just have to bring the parts to us, show us documentation, and we can go ahead and generate a key. Okay, we're back at this GS300. As you see, we got 2 chips already prepped and programmed. We have 2 keys cut. We didn't put the chips into the keys yet. This is what everybody want to see. Did we make the key from scratch? Turns nice and smooth. Key 1. Key 2. Basically, we just generate a key shell first. And if the keys work out fine, we just drop the chips into them. So it's like a 2-step process. Just keep in mind, if you're calling around, you're looking for the cheapest price, only certain people know how to do this type of work. Only certain people know how to do this type of work correctly. So if you're looking for the cheapest price, those of us that know how to do it, this is sort of like special type programming. We're not going to do it cheap. Let's just face it. The equipment we have to use, the training we go through to do this, to do it right, take all the safety precautions so we don't mess your computer up. It's just not going to be a cheap job to do. Is it more convenient? Of course. We can come to the car, you can send us the parts, get it done, versus going to the dealer and they charge you for a whole new computer and everything. So you gotta weigh apples and oranges. For those guys that are out there doing it dirt cheap, let's say I charge you $400 and somebody charges you $150. You might want to question that. What are you getting? How long they been doing it? Is there a good chance that they're going to mess your computer up? Did they buy something on the internet, some off the wall aftermarket type of equipment that's going to mess your computer up? So it's up to y'all, because if they mess your computer up, there's no way you can prove they messed your computer up. You end up going to have to spend $1,000 anyway. So if I was you, you just go with somebody reliable that you know how to do this type of work, not just take their word. You know they do this type of work, and that's it. But this is basically done. I'm going to go back in the office, build a custom out. This is done. They should be able to just plug this into the car, plug the computer back in the car, put the lock back in the door, put the key in ignition, the car should start right up. I'm sorry I don't have the car in front of me, so I can't show you the car started up, but basically I'm done with this. Thank you. If you have any questions, you need our help, go to our website, www.acmlocksmith group. Also, keep in mind, if you want to call us and get technical information, that's not what we do. We do not train or teach people how to fix their cars. Call someone local, and that's about it. We don't give away secrets like that. I'm sorry, but that's the way we work. We don't. This is our business. We don't tell people how to do things or how to steal cars or whatever. Thank you. I just wanted to make sure that you was okay. Nobody's gonna see your face because I got my screen blocked on my phone, so nobody can see your phone number. But
Oh yeah, ain't no problem.
basically, was you happy with what I did for you?
Yes, sir. I mean, it was a great service. I got online and looked it up, and I thought it was going to be next to impossible to get a key made.
I mean, when you
And
got home, was you able to plug the computer back in and then the car started up, or what was the deal?
yeah, as soon as I got home, I just put the computer in, those 6 little clips up, put the key in there, and it crawled right up.
Okay. Yeah, I figured no news was good news, so I was just calling you, checking bases with you.
Yeah, man, I got to call back. So,
Okay.
can't beat that. ACM is where it's at.
All right, I appreciate it, man. If you need me, call me in the future.
Okay, bro.
All right, man, thanks.
All right.
Okay, that was the customer that came to our office. They brought the computer, they brought the door lock. That's basically, I called them up on the phone, just checking on them. He probably came to our office, I say about a week ago. So I was just touching bases, making sure everything was good. So if you send me your computers, sometime you will hear from me calling you. I can't get to everybody because I get a lot of packages coming in and out, but I'm usually, for me, no news is good news. So I know everything works good, but that is actually a live customer that I did work for about a week ago, and he's very, as you can see, he's very happy with the work we done. So if you need us, call us. We'll tell you what you need to get ready to ship to us, and we'll take care of it. Thank you.